Tired of missed messages and unreliable communication? Let's dive into how to receive messages using Telnyx, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, log into your Telnyx portal and navigate to the messaging section. This is your central hub for managing all things messaging. Next, ensure you have a Telnyx phone number configured. You'll need a number to receive incoming messages. If you don't have one, you can easily purchase one directly within the portal. Now, let's set up webhooks. Webhooks are crucial for receiving real-time notifications. When a new message arrives, click on the Webhooks tab and create a new webhook endpoint URL. This is where Telnyx will send the message data. On your server, you'll need to create an endpoint to receive these webhook requests. This endpoint will parse the incoming JSON data from Telnyx, which includes details like the sender's number, the message body, and timestamps. Telnyx offers multiple integration methods, including direct API calls, SDKs in various languages, and even pre-built integrations with popular platforms. Choose the one that best suits your technical expertise and project requirements. Once configured, send a test message to your Telnyx number. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the message data arrive at your webhook endpoint and be logged in your Telnyx portal. Finally, remember to implement robust error handling, data validation, and security measures to ensure reliable and secure message processing. Properly handle any errors, validate the data you receive, and protect your endpoint from unauthorized access.